Uranus is unlike any other planet in the solar system. To the naked eye, it is a pale blue dot, serene and unremarkable, floating in the void. Its color hints at methane in its atmosphere, but otherwise, it offers little in the way of spectacle. There are no storm bands screaming across its surface like Jupiter, no majestic rings like Saturn, no immediate sign of the violence that its motion implies. Yet beneath its quiet exterior, Uranus carries a story written not in fire or storms, but in momentum and memory. It rolls along its orbit like a barrel because, billions of years ago, it was struck and nothing has ever told it to stop. The tilt of Uranus is extreme, almost unfathomable. Its rotational axis lies nearly parallel to its orbital plane, which means the planet does not spin upright like most of its siblings. Imagine a world lying on its side as it orbits the Sun, rotating end over end, with one pole leading the way and the other following. Day and night on Uranus do not follow the simple rhythm we know on Earth. Instead, sunlight can hover over a single pole for decades at a time, bathing it in near constant light while the opposite pole is plunged into prolonged darkness. Seasons are not brief and predictable. They stretch across human lifetimes. They define eras, not days, and they force the planet to behave according to rules foreign to our everyday experience. This extreme orientation did not arise gradually. Angular momentum is notoriously persistent. Once a planet begins to spin, it resists change. Uranus could not have slowly leaned over, inch by inch, over eons. To reach its current sideways position, the planet must have experienced an event so enormous, so decisive, that it altered the trajectory of its spin in an instant. The prevailing theory is that a massive collision with a planetary-scale body struck Uranus at just the right angle. The impact did not shatter the planet entirely, but it delivered enough energy to tilt the axis nearly 98 degrees. Uranus survived. It did not reset. It rolled, and it has continued rolling ever since. The consequences of this ancient collision are not superficial. Uranus's internal structure was forever altered. The violent reorientation may have disrupted convection currents in the deep interior, creating stable layers that trap heat. Unlike Jupiter or Saturn, Uranus radiates very little internal energy. It is effectively insulated, a cold giant with much of its internal energy locked away. Its composition, a mixture of rock, ice, and gases, interacts differently with its sideways rotation, creating currents and layers that move according to patterns that would be impossible on an upright planet. The tilt changed the rules of motion for the entire interior. The magnetic field of Uranus echoes this story of ancient upheaval. Unlike Earth, whose magnetic field aligns roughly with its axis of rotation, Uranus's field is both tilted and offset from its center. As the planet rotates, the field sweeps through space like a lopsided gyroscope, dragging charged particles into complex, shifting loops. The magnetosphere is uneven, constantly reshaped by the planet's motion relative to the sun. Space itself behaves differently around Uranus, bending and stretching along patterns dictated by a rotation inherited from a collision billions of years ago. Even now, spacecraft visiting Uranus must navigate these strange magnetic dynamics, which have no parallel elsewhere in the solar system. Its moons, too, carry the memory of this tilt. Unlike the regular satellites of Jupiter and Saturn, which orbit close to the plane of the solar system, Uranus's major moons circle around its equator, following the sideways orientation of their parent. This suggests that they formed after the collision, from debris that settled into orbit around a tilted world. The moons are a living record of the planet's history. Each orbit a statement about the aftermath of a cosmic event too large for Earth to imagine. The solar system did not correct Uranus. Instead, it reorganized itself around it. The seasons of Uranus are extreme and prolonged. Each hemisphere spends 42 Earth years in continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. This slow cycle means that the atmosphere experiences long-term imbalances, with energy and wind redistributed over decades rather than hours or days. Clouds may form, drift, and dissipate at glacial rates. Storms, when they occur, are shaped less by the heat of the sun than by the inertia of the planet's interior. Even the faintest changes are measured over years, not days. Uranus is a planet defined by patience, where time itself is stretched and rearranged. The axial tilt also shapes the planet's interaction with the solar system. Uranus's rotation relative to the Sun affects its magnetosphere, its radiation environment, and even the way solar wind interacts with it. Charged particles are funneled along unusual trajectories, and the planet's magnetic geometry creates regions of instability that move and shift as Uranus rolls. Its atmosphere, magnetic field, moons, and orbit all carry the consequences of that one ancient event. Every aspect of its existence is a reminder that history, once written in motion, is difficult to erase. Uranus is ancient, and its role is persistent. Its sideways rotation has endured through billions of years of solar system evolution. It has outlasted impacts, migrations, and the gradual clearing of gas and dust. It has persisted while life arose on Earth, evolved, and vanished again. It has persisted while human civilization came and went, while our understanding of planets expanded from myth to telescope to spacecraft. Uranus does not care. It rolls because it must. It rolls because no force has ever been strong enough to stop it. Looking forward, Uranus will continue to roll for billions of years. The Sun will age, expand, and change the architecture of the inner solar system, but Uranus will remain largely unaffected. Its orbit will shift gradually, influenced by the subtle tugs of other planets, but the axial tilt will remain. Its magnetic field will continue to twist in space. Its moons will continue their sideways dance. Even if the planet were struck again, altering its orbit slightly, the barrel-like rotation would almost certainly persist. The angular momentum that governs Uranus is a stubborn, unyielding law of physics. Uranus teaches us about persistence in the universe. It shows us that motion endures long after the events that created it. It demonstrates that the solar system does not correct anomalies, that history is preserved in ways we might not expect. It reveals the strange poetry of physics, that a planet's orientation, its seasons, its magnetosphere, and its satellites are all consequences of an event that happened billions of years ago, yet continue to shape the present. Its role is a cosmic echo of violence that is now quiet, stable, and eternal. The planet exists outside human intuition. It does not spin upright because it should. It does not correct its tilt because balance is meaningless in the absence of outside influence. Uranus rolls along because momentum cannot be unmade. It rolls along because nothing else matters. It rolls because, once pushed, it must continue, indifferent to observers, to history, to the passing of civilizations, or the evolution of life elsewhere. Its story is one of survival, adaptation, and endurance written purely in motion. And so Uranus rolls. It rolls slowly, steadily, and perfectly in its own terms. It rolls for decades at a time, with one pole facing the sun. It rolls for billions of years through the silent architecture of the solar system. It rolls through time that dwarfs civilizations, epochs, and species. Its motion is not purposeful. It carries no memory of human observation. It carries only the memory of that one collision, the momentum it inherited, and the laws of physics that allow it to endure. Uranus does not roll toward meaning. It rolls toward nothing. It rolls because it was once struck, because momentum persists, and because the universe allows it to do so. And in this endless barrel-like motion, there is a lesson. The universe is not tidy. It is not fair. It is not designed for comprehension. It is indifferent. Yet in that indifference, it preserves memory, consequence, and history in ways both subtle and profound.